Hello there. Today, we're going to chat about something really interesting. Could L-citrulline be the secret to better erections? We'll look at how L-citrulline works, what science says about it, and any side effects you should know about. I am Dr. Fabio Castigliani. Avatar created using artificial intelligence. I am a consultant andrologist and urologist, as well as the founder and director of the Holistic Andrology Clinic in London. I am here to bring you the facts. Before we jump into L-citrulline, remember that there are already great wallet-friendly medicines out there for erectile dysfunction, like sildenafil and tadalafil. If you want to know more about these, do check out my earlier blogs and videos where I explain them in detail. Erectile dysfunction is a pretty common problem affecting more than half of men over 50. It's often due to not enough blood getting to the penis, usually because of health issues like high blood pressure, diabetes, or high cholesterol. To fully grasp the impact of L-citrulline, it's essential to first understand the role of nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a crucial chemical in our bodies for erections. Nitric oxide is produced by specific nerve endings in the penis, which stimulate the blood vessels to produce more nitric oxide. This nitric oxide then binds to proteins on the blood vessels, enabling them to expand, a process we call vasodilation. This allows the smooth muscles in the penis to relax and blood to flow into the penis, leading to an erection. I often refer to it as the spark plug for your erection. So how does L-citrulline come into the picture? L-citrulline is an amino acid that plays a key role in increasing nitric oxide levels. It's naturally produced in our bodies and can also be found in certain foods such as watermelon. Now you might be wondering about L-arginine. L-arginine is another amino acid that is crucial for the production of nitric oxide. However, the challenge with L-arginine is that it's often rapidly broken down by enzymes in our intestines and liver, which can limit its effectiveness. This is where L-citrulline shines. It is converted into L-arginine in the kidneys, effectively bypassing the enzymes in the gut and liver that would typically break down L-arginine. This makes L-citrulline a more efficient way to boost nitric oxide levels in the body, potentially leading to improved erections. There's some exciting research suggesting that L-citrulline might help the muscles in the penis release a substance called VEGF, which improves blood vessel function and might even help create healthier blood vessels in the penis. So, it makes sense that L-citrulline could help, but does it really? Let's look at a study from 2011. Researchers looked at 24 men with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. These men could get an erection, but it wasn't good enough or didn't last long enough. The researchers measured this using the erectile hardness score, and on average, the men scored 3. They were given 1.5 grams of L-citrulline per day, split into 2 doses. Each man was his own control, getting a placebo for the first month without knowing it, and then taking L-citrulline the next month. The results were interesting. In the L-citrulline group, half of the men saw an improvement in their erectile hardness score from 3 to 4, meaning their erections were fully hard and rigid. Only 2% of men saw the same improvement while taking the placebo. So, based on this small study, it seems that L-citrulline might help people with very mild erectile dysfunction, where you can get an erection but it's not hard enough or doesn't last long enough. But remember, this was a small study, so take it with a pinch of salt. The good news is that L-citrulline is generally safe and has few side effects. But remember, with all supplements, there's no strict regulation, so we can't always be sure that what's on the label is what's in the powder or capsule you're taking. But rather than treating erectile dysfunction when it happens, it's better to try and stop it from happening in the first place. Keeping a healthy diet and exercising regularly can help keep your blood vessels working well and your erections strong. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. If you found this video helpful. And remember, always take care of yourself because you're worth it.